Hello, my dearest storytime friends from around the world. Welcome back to a new episode right here in warm tropical Suriname. I thought I was never going to finish this video. I was struggling with this one, especially how my phone got stolen on the 29th of November. I'll never forget that day. I thought that I lost this footage because this is a project that our company Thermo-Dynamic Solutions and Faye did for another local company in Suriname, and we're grateful that they gave us as young entrepreneurs the opportunity to do this project. Shout out to our friends at Celery. They manage online payment systems. Think more along the lines of HR. Check them out. You can find them on social media. Anyway, we had to do this installation. They wanted to set up a sink with nice taps. We selected a tap from FIFA Trading. It was an entire process to get this job done. Usually, a project like this would only take us a few hours to finish, especially when we have extra help, like we had an assistant to help us finish the handiwork that day. But in this case, we did the project in 2 days. Because Emporium Mall is home to multiple companies, we had to wait until the next morning. But we got there early to turn off the water so we could connect the pipes. So on day one, we did the complete setup, preparation for the work, and day two, we finished up with the piping and the waterworks. We did it in such a manner that none of the other companies that are seated in Emporium building would have any problems going about their business and accommodating clients.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad.
As you can see in this part of the video, we're preparing to set up the installation of the sink to connect it to the wall, through which the pipes will be providing it with water.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Okay, kan album ito sin. Beres kan siya album ito kan na album ako boto ako.
Now I mostly look when I work, always messy hair and everything. And tell me how there's some people still have the audacity to think that when we're working, I'm out here stealing their man. Not in this case. Not in this case, but on some days we do experience that, or I do experience that. Anyway, what do you guys think of the video so far? We were busy all day with clients. This morning I have another client to go after this. And I decided, why not make this a part of my content? So it's a good thing that you measured right and it didn't go to the 5. We're gonna work that off and cut it and make it nice and neat for the client. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see more technical content like this. So now he's cutting the access and making sure that everything is going to be going through that hole nice and neat. And that it'll still look great on the building. Explained to me we're gonna need more pipes and a shuffle because he wants to make the pipe go from there all the way to here. They're doing.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss, see. I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python. Grab what I like real fast, took until I have everything I attack. Everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact. Cause I'm my own worst enemy, only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it.
You guys love watching this video. Let me know if you're looking forward to more content like this. Stay tuned for more adventures right here in tropical Suriname, and shout out to everyone who supports our company right here in tropical Suriname. I'm glad to be a part of this process, and I look forward to doing more projects like this. Overall, we were satisfied, the client was satisfied, and I loved the look that they picked out. it was a nice finish and everything worked fine, as you guys can see. Bye bye, until soon.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.